You may not believe it, but there's one Kundalini Yoga exercise that's said to hold the power of an entire session. It's called Sat Kriya. It looks simple, arms are up, breath is moving, we're chanting Sat Nam, but inside it's awakening something ancient, something powerful. What is Sat Kriya? For beginners, Sat Kriya is one of the first and most powerful practices that you can learn in Kundalini Yoga. It's often one of the first ones that I do teach when I have a brand new beginner in class. It's short, it's focused, and it works on every part of your being, body, mind, and energy. The mantra Sat Nam means truth is my identity. Sat Nam. Every time you chant it, you remind yourself of who you really are beneath all the stress and the noise of life. Here's how to do Sat Kriya simply. Sit back on your heels if you can. This is called rock pose. If sitting on your heels is not an option, you can simply sit in cross-legged or even in a chair. No problem. We'll interlace our fingers. Extend the index fingers straight up, stacking against each other. Now, we'll lift our arms straight up, hugging the ears if you can, but if that's not an option, having the arms extending away is just fine. We'll then begin to chant this mantra, Sat Nam, very specifically, pulling the belly button in on Sat, Sat, and then relaxing it on Nam, Nam, Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam. So it's a rhythm. Sat, the belly moves in. Nam, the belly moves out. You can go slow at first. In fact, I strongly recommend that you just take it easy and don't strain. Don't try to force it. Let your breath and your sound find their natural flow. Start with 3 minutes. You can build up slowly, maybe setting a goal for 11 minutes, 22 minutes, 31 minutes, maybe even 62 minutes as you really get into this. So when you finish, it's important to inhale deeply, holding your breath and gently squeeze the lower muscles. This is called a root lock. And imagine the energy rising up your spine all the way to the top of your head, which it is. Then exhale, relax, and let your body completely soften, completely relax. Sit quietly and just feel the energy moving. When I first started Sat Kriya, it wasn't easy. My arms would fall asleep, my legs were tingling and very uncomfortable, and yes, boy did I sweat. But over time, something, in fact a lot of things, started to change. My belly grew stronger, the navel point grew stronger, my willpower became clearer and more defined, my hips began to open, and my breath and ability to breathe got deeper and stronger as well. And even more amazing, my mind got really quiet. In fact, it became very meditative. And because of that, my morning meditations went even deeper than ever before. It's as if Sat Kriya itself began to teach me, showing me what my body and my energy needed next. Sat Kriya strengthens the core, it balances hormones, improves circulation, and clears old, stuck emotions. It also helps redirect sexual energy into creativity and healing, moving energy up through the heart and beyond. This is truly a technology for transformation. Here's a few beginner tips. Start small. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Focus on the sound of your own voice. Don't force anything. Just let the energy build itself naturally. Here's a really strong and important pro tip. If you're unable to be in a space where you can chant out loud or even loudly, you can simply whisper or do it quietly. It's still powerful. Sat Kriya might look simple, but it's one of the most complete practices in Kundalini Yoga. When you practice it regularly, it builds strength, focus, and radiance from your inside out. So here's the thing. Start with just a few minutes a day and let the Kriya reveal its magic to you, because sometimes the simplest things hold the deepest power. So if you're ready to explore and go deeper into the practices of Kundalini Yoga, from Kriyas to the history of Kundalini, please subscribe and continue this journey within. The path to awakening is just beginning. Sat Nam.